are you cutting me off for?
My dog.
I don't care about your dog. No, I
Come
don't.
here. Come here.
I'm not getting out of my car for you, you jackass.
God damn it.
Like, you could have took any other hoodie, bro. That was part of a set, bro. Oh shit. What are you doing, bro? He's still turning. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? You wanna do something?
Sent me smoke like what? Cause one always got bomb.com to make we gon' twist it up.
Right.
Really, the co-inventor of that with him, he was right in there. With developing a house.
What are you doing, buddy?
Selling books.
Jesus.
Minded immigrants would get off the plane and start paying taxes to cover their deficits. We know it because they said it internally. The only data shows that it doesn't work that way. There's periods.
How are you alternative if you look the same? Alternative. Don't look the same. The same. What do you want?
What are you doing?
The same.
Do you not see the people on the crosswalk walking?
You see people on the
cross? What are you doing? Why are you up your truck?
your horn blowing at me?
Because there's people walking.
You worry about your truck.
Because there's people walking.
You worry about your
It's not about the truck, it's about the people.
Don't worry about me.
She gon' work out. Focus on the position. She didn't come to work out.
What are you?
Competition. She gon' work out. First in competition. She gon' work out.
What are you doing? But you're in the middle of the road.
Right here. I will fight you, homie.
All right, go. Go on your way then.
Even if it goes up, talking about
Bro, the left turn's right there on your left. All right, I got you. Come on, let's go on our way. We're blocking people.
Wait a minute. The city show called the Follow Robberies. Replacing teams of thieves, jingling in the street routes to target. Follow the show.
That semi's not stopping. What the?
Official reports that the same person in Europe crashed with their Toyota a couple years ago. They are getting a slice of the pie recently. Officials in Brussels have agreed that their plan to ban the combustion.
Jesus.
We have detected. Connecting to the emergency.
it can be smart.
5-7.
Because you never called us, right? So, and we kind of looked at it, and they were like, yeah, it's done for today, we're not.
They made all of this when they could have made these roads bigger. Watch this guy pull right out in front of me. Look at this. Holy shit! Oh my god. It's you.
And Jose Aristimuno for DNC Deputy Press Secretary. I don't know. So where do you see this going, Kate?
Hey, calm down, man.
But I'm going to suggest the $12 a month giving level, because when you give at that level,
Hi, I'm here. I'm blowing your nose. Shut.
Run scenarios and situations to predict how somebody will behave.
Are you serious? What's going on? She thinks it's a stop and go. Because she doesn't understand.
Oh, you brake checked him. You f***ing idiot. Stop f***ing around. There's a f***ing truck there. I'm gonna be another buffer.
What happened?
Whoa.
Oh my god. You're not supposed to stop there either! Jesus Christ!
Things?
Incredible year. By a catcher in Major League history, 60 home runs.
My purpose is just giving you a job description what you're doing. So this is what you're done for anybody. You don't have to be executive or operating manager. How does the purpose of your purpose connect to what you're doing? Something to know. How does the organization go about doing that? Not just for counters, skeleton, suite, but for everybody. How does that skills? she receives what she's asking for.
Oh, God. What the?
Yeah, we're just sitting right. He was talking last about not feeling like so great when he's not tall. So can we just like let's build his platform, make him taller for everything.
Our shortest feature.
Yeah. They were
Also,
doing this shit.
I want to see the scenes that they rehearsed them.
You got that on camera.
Attention Inattentive. Honda Link Assist will call emergency service.
What the are you doing? You still f***ing asshole. Oh my God.
Oh my God! What the fuck?
Get out!
Indication of what you'd be.
Zu schnell geht, aber ich habe extra reingeschrieben. Also wir. You can watch the whole thing if you like. Just go to the Alanis Morissette socials.
Mother, I cannot stress enough the severity of the matters at
Illegal immigration, free speech.
Kamala Harris. All of it.
So yeah, good for him.
No. Stop sign! Stop sign! F you!
Shit! Oh.
idiot, dude. Oh my god.